Danielle from Camilleiam. Today I'm going to be doing a little bit of a different video for you guys. I'm going to be doing an apartment tour. This is the very first apartment that me and my husband moved into when we first got married, and I've really loved living here. It's kind of been my little baby for the last 2 years, but we are moving soon, so I wanted to do a video showing you guys how I decorated my apartment and where I keep all my plants, stuff like that, but also so that I can look back on it to see how our first apartment looked. I really love all things home decor and DIY, so I hope that you're able to get some ideas from this video. And before we get started, make sure to like and subscribe. I would really love it if you did that. And let's get on to the video. When you walk into our apartment, you will first see our living room and our entryway. So here's a little overview of that. In our little entryway, we have this pegboard shelf. Me and my husband actually made this, but we got the idea from Aspen Ovard. She has 3 of these in her entryway, and I really love the idea, so I wanted to recreate one for myself. I styled the pegboard with some plants and some other decor pieces. And we have our couch and our TV stand. Our TV stand we actually got at a thrift store, and we kind of upcycled it to make it more our style. And this is one of the places where I put a lot of my plants because there's a window and it lets a lot of light in.
Yeah, 'cause I'd do anything. I just wanna be with you. How can you make me feel this way? Don't let me down, down, down. It could be you and I want you now, 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 now.
Right next to our living room is our kitchen and dining room, and one side of the wall has these shelves on it that I styled with some mugs and bowls, and of course some more plants.
That I wanna stay here.
On the other side of the wall, we have these marquee letters that are a K and a C, and these are actually from our wedding, and we decided to repurpose them in our home decor. Then we have our table, and this is actually also from the thrift store, and we upcycled it to make it more our style. The dining room kind of just flows into the kitchen area, and we have these bar stools here, which I really love. Something that really drew me to this apartment from the start was the kitchen. A lot of small apartments will have really small kitchens, or they'll have a galley style kitchen, and I really love that this kitchen has a really big window and it lets in a lot of light for my plants and my videos. Next we have our bathroom, and bear with me, the lighting was really bad when I shot this, but it's not too exciting. It's just a little bathroom, but I do have a couple little shelves and a wall hanging that I made, but I'm definitely looking forward to hopefully moving into a place that has a bigger bathroom. And the last room is our bedroom, so here's just a little overview of that. On one side of the room we have our dresser, and this is actually a little bit of a DIY as well. It used to be really ugly, and we painted it white and added the handles, and I really love it now. In the entryway of our bedroom, I have this little fur rug along with my monstera and my snake plant. This corner has a wall hanging and my fiddle leaf fig plant. On my nightstand, I have a couple of plants and things, and that's all for our bedroom. We actually do have another bedroom in our apartment, but we mostly just use it for storage, and it has a bunch of boxes in it, so I decided not to show you, but it's nothing too exciting. For watching. I hope you enjoyed this apartment tour. I really love watching videos like this on YouTube for ideas and stuff like that, and I want to make one for myself before we move. And before you leave this video, make sure to check out my social media, which will be linked in the description below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! It could be you.